Hi Tubman, it's Mrs. Morell. It's Thursday, May 14th. Today we are going to do sentence expansion, making sentences bigger using because, but, and so with Latimer and Thomas Edison. Let's get started. Yesterday we read the text again and we were thinking about these three things. Thomas Edison invented the light bulb, but Latimer invented a carbon filament, so Latimer is remembered because. Today I'm going to show you how I expand these sentences. You should have already written the rest of the sentence with your ideas. If you didn't yet, please pause the video here and write your own sentences before you see mine. So let me show you how I do this. I'm going to look at the first one again. Thomas Edison invented the light bulb, but. Remember, but means after that word you have to have something different. It's a change in direction. I'm going to go back to the part where Thomas Edison invented the light bulb, and I'm going to try to find the problem with his light bulb. Going back to the text here. Let's see. Well, I know that Latimer improved the light bulb that was invented by Edison. So Thomas Edison invented it, but Latimer improved it. So that's one way that I could expand the sentence. Thomas Edison invented the light bulb, but change in direction, Latimer improved it. Latimer made it better. There was another way that I could have finished this sentence. Let me show you one more. Thomas Edison invented the light bulb, but I remember that there was a problem with his light bulb. So something good he did was invent the light bulb, change in direction, but something bad, Edison's prototypical light bulb, that means the light bulb he made, was lit by a glowing, electrified filament made of paper, which unfortunately burnt out rather quickly. So, Thomas Edison invented the light bulb, but it burnt out quickly. Because, look at that, I'm going to use another one of these words, because the filament was made of paper. Okay, so that's two ways that I could finish that first sentence. Let's look at the next one. Latimer invented a carbon filament, so is going to tell what happened. Let's see what happened after he invented this carbon filament. Latimer created a light bulb with a filament made of the much more durable carbon. I remember durable from yesterday. Durable is strong, staying strong and in good condition over a long period of time. So if Edison's light bulb burnt out quickly and Latimer's light bulb was much more durable, I could say Latimer invented a carbon filament, so his light bulbs did not burn out quickly. Another thing that I remember I remember reading that these durable carbon lights made it possible to have public electric lights. So like street lights that we have today, that's because Lewis Latimer had a more durable light bulb. So another way that I could finish this sentence is Lewis Latimer invented a carbon filament so electric lights could be put in public. His lights lasted longer. All right, let's do the last one. Lewis Latimer is remembered because. Because you have to explain why. Why is Lewis Latimer remembered? Oh, I remember this part of the text. Latimer will always be remembered for making the widespread use of electric light possible in public and at home. Lewis Latimer is remembered because he made electric light bulbs common. I could say common, or I could use my vocabulary word, widespread, in public and in homes. Okay, so I used because, but, and so to expand my sentences, to tell more. This shows that I understood what I read, and I'm able to tell more about what I read by expanding my sentences. When you are writing, think about using because, but, and so to expand your sentences and tell more. That's all for today. Stay safe, keep reading. I miss you. Bye.